Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the reverse charging test of the POCO X3 device. So with the POCO X2 smartphone. So I'll be charging the POCO X2 device using the X3 model. So in this video, I'll be using the Type-C to Type-C cable instead of a normal Type-C adapter, as you can see. So this is the most convenient way to charge the reverse charging method, this kind of Type-C to Type-C using this kind of cable, so which is very much easy and much faster in terms of the charging rate as well. So right now I'll be charging the POCO X2 for about 1 hour. So I'll be keeping the stopwatch ready as well here. So let's see for 1 hour if I reverse charge the POCO X3 using and charging the POCO X2. Let's see how much percentage of the battery the POCO X2 can actually charge using this kind of method. So here I did charge my POCO X3 to the 100% of the brightness, 100% of the battery, as you can see clearly. So 100% battery is full on the POCO X3. So now I'll try to charge the POCO X2 smartphone using this Type-C cable. So I'll charge continuously for 1 hour. So in 1 hour, let's see how much of the battery will get drained in the POCO X3 and how much of the battery will get charged on the POCO X2 smartphone. So let me disconnect the cable here and connect the Type-C cable. So you need to connect the Type-C cable first to the POCO X3 and then to the POCO X2 device. So only then it will the phone will get charged. So you'll get this message. So just click yes. Now right now the phone is getting charged, the POCO X2 smartphone. As you can see here, this is very slow charging, friends. And let me try to start the stopwatch as well for 1 hour of continuously charging. So it is a stopwatch as already began here. So let me show you the battery charging, how much it's detecting in the POCO X2 smartphone, not in the POCO X3. As you can see, so when the screen is in on position, the charging will not speed up. So let me try to close the screen and show you at the same time. And meanwhile, let me disconnect the Wi-Fi and everything in the POCO X3 smartphone, and this is completely I'm not using at all for the 1 hour constantly. And let's see in 1 hour how much the phone will get charged. So as I said, as you can see, when the phone is in locked mode, it won't utilize much power and it will charge faster. And for 1 hour, I'll keep this both phones side connecting with the Type-C cable. So let's see how much phone the POCO X2 can actually charge using this POCO X3 device. Again, I'll be back exactly after 1 hour of charging this method. So let's see, friends, whether the reverse charging is actually speed or not. So right now you can see here, friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of charging the POCO X2 device using the POCO X3 smartphone. So in the reverse charging, so the battery charged by 13% for the first 1 hour. You can see how much slow the battery actually is charging. So 13%. And here in the POCO X3, the battery dropped to the 89%. You can see here. So there is a difference actually here, because the POCO X3's battery is slightly bigger than the POCO X2 smartphone, as you can see here. So now what I will do, I'll try to continue the same kind of charging test using the Type-C adapter as well. So right now I connected the Type-C to Type-C cable. So everyone may not be having the Type-C to Type-C cable. So let me try to do with the normal USB cable as well, using this kind of Type-C adapter from the POCO X3. So let me connect the Type-C adapter here. Let me connect the USB cable and charge the POCO X2 smartphone. So same way, I'll try to calculate the time as well. For 1 hour, I'll try to charge the POCO X2 device. So I'll try to close the both phones, let's say, and I'll leave the both phones side for continuously for 1 hour. So let's see in 1 hour how much the phone can actually charge here. Because with the Type-C to Type-C, it got charged by 13%. So with the normal cable, let's see how much battery percentage actually the POCO X2 can charge. So after 1 hour of charging this POCO X2 phone using the POCO X3 smartphone with the normal USB cable and with the Type-C adapter, as you can see, so which got a charge 14% for the 1 hour, as you can see here, friends. So overall, in terms of the reverse charging, this is not as fast as normal phone. So in terms of the reverse charging, it's kind of very slow, I think so. So this will be very suitable to charge the small kind of accessories that includes the Type-C Bluetooth earphones or any other small accessories, so which will be very useful for those. So not for the charging the smartphones. So in case of emergency only you can use this kind of feature. But these are all the results of charging. So overall in 1 hour it can charge 13 to 15% of battery in the Poco X2 device, which has the 4500 mAh of battery, so which also varies with other smartphones as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.